These are 104 chickens, layers, brown and white. And Marlon is the good worker who's taking care of them. He's shy. An alumnus of a sanctuary, now a worker, Sister Norma. Sister Lorna. Yes, a very, what should I say, blessed sister in the Lord. Is very, very instrumental in these chickens being here. And she's here to make sure that they are being treated, cared for rightly. And she brought with her an accomplice, Sister Susie also. She was influential in Sister Susie's chicken farm. You have chicken farm, right, Sister Susie?
Yeah.
Right. And Sister Norma. That's your neighbor, right?
Yes.
And Sister Delora and Sister Jean. These people are partners in, no, not crime, in serving the Lord.